Welcome back to Becky Cooks. Today we are going to be preparing popcorn. So whenever you want to satisfy your sweet tooth craving and just for your guilty pleasure, you want to have some popcorn and also for some night movies and the rest. So into our dried pot, adding in vegetable oil and the popcorn kernel. They are tinier than the regular corn we eat during the corn season. So when you go to the place where they sell baking stuffs, they have them to sell. So easy and fast to make. You can even entertain your guests with this and they will really enjoy it. And also you can give your kids to enjoy to school and even at home. So I'm adding in a little bit of sugar and I'm going to stir it. So I added the sugar when it was beginning to start popping. That was when I added the sugar. So now I'm adding in the flavor. Cover it and shake at intervals until you can no longer hear any pop. You are doing this on medium heat. Let the heat be very low so that it will not start burning underneath. And that's another reason why I added enough oil to make it very soft and tender. Just for that nice outcome. Shake at intervals until you can no longer hear any pop. Please, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please subscribe. Subscription is free. Please just kindly click the subscribe button and I'll be very grateful. So this is what we have at the end of the popping season. So it's time to add a little bit of coloring, food coloring. You want to use a very good brand so that you will not have any bitter taste of the food coloring. Just a little bit and shake vigorously until it's well distributed. And for that extra kick, we're adding in powdered milk. Yes, to add to the yumminess of this popcorn, just sprinkle some powdered milk and this is what we have. It looks colorful and it looks nice. So to make our chocolate dressing for the second batch of the popcorn, I just added in a little bit of sugar and I'll let this dissolve. I'm going to add in a little bit of margarine. Stir to dissolve the sugar. This is chocolate syrup, but you can use it for other things that calls for chocolate syrup. So when you can't get your hands on it and you have all these ingredients at home, you can just make your simple chocolate syrup. So I added a little bit of water just to ensure that the sugar dissolves properly. And when this is thick, and I'll now go ahead and add the cocoa powder. Just stir this around very well until the cocoa powder dissolves into the mixture and then you turn off your heat immediately. So this is what we have. Look at the underneath of the pot. You see that there's no, it didn't stick to it and there's no bone, just this little bit. I decided to let you see how it looks like. Everything came out very well. So now it's time to drizzle our chocolate syrup into our popcorn. So if you're a chocolate lover, you're going to enjoy this very well. Give this a very good mix and our chocolate variant of popcorn is ready. And we're also going to be topping it with powdered milk. So this is what we have. So you just let it set for a bit and the chocolate will harden to the popcorn, and then you are good to go. So this is what we have. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.